So, good day everyone. I am Jonalyn Bundalan from BSN Math 3B. And today I will be presenting my abstract algebra task 1. So, my model is entitled Stop Sign Geometry. My model uses the set S of the group containing elements under binary operation star. These include 8 rotations, each a multiple of 45 degrees, and 8 reflections along various axes. Each element represents a unique transformation of the stop sign figure, forming the foundation of our structure. So here is the stop sign figure, viewed from the both viewed from both the back and front. This figure was used to demonstrate each transformation, helping us understand how the symmetries operate in physical space. So this is the first version of our table of results. It lists the outcome of combining any two transformation from the set. This table is crucial for checking the properties of a group. So we will check if it follows the four group rules: the closure, associativity, identity, and inverses. So again, this is the first result of the table. It shows what happened when we combine different elements of the model. We say the model is closed because every result from the table belongs to the same set D2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, G, O, N, A, L, Y, F, B. So closure is checked. Next condition is associativity. So it is associativity. To test the associativity, we flip the table 180 degrees and compare it to the original. If the new arrangement matches the first, the operation is associativity. So our model passed this test confirming this group property. The table stays the same after flipping. After flipping and rearranging, it shows that the group does not affect the result, so it is associativity. The third condition, it has an identity element. We look for an identity element, something that doesn't change the result when combining with any any other element. Since there is an intersection of the row and column on the table was the order of elements on the outlines of the table, then there is exists identity element. That is D. Therefore it has an identity element. In this model, D acts as the identity because combining it with any elements give us give back the same element. So for the fourth condition, which it has an inverse element for all. Now we check for inverse element. Every element must have a partner that bring us back to the identity D. The table shows that for every element there's an inverse wherein D inverse D, 2 inverse 14, 4 inverse 12, 6 inverse 10, 8 inverse 10, 8 inverse 8, I mean 10 inverse 6, 12 inverse 7, 12 inverse 4, and 14 inverse 2, J inverse J, O inverse O, N inverse N, A inverse N, L is inverse L, Y inverse Y, F inverse F, and B inverse B. Since there exists identity element for every row and column, that is D, therefore it has inverse element for all. Here we summarize the result. Since the set is closed, associative, as an identity element and each element as an inverse, our structure meets all the criteria of a group. Through this geometric model, I've shown how abstract algebra concepts like group theory can be explored visually. The stop sign geometry offers a creative approach to learning and understanding algebraic structure. So that's all for my um task one. Thank you for listening.